Good morning. I'm here on Rainy Lake in northern Minnesota, right on the Canadian border. In fact, today we're gonna be fishing in Canada. And I'm here with my friends, Ron and Todd, and we're with Cody, local guide and friend that I have fished with before, if you've seen our muskie video or sturgeon video from last year. And today we're hoping to catch maybe some walleye, maybe some pike, maybe something else. But thanks for coming along for the adventure, and let's go fishing. All right. You're on your own.
There you go, Adam. Well,
You're right, it's a pretty soft bite.
Yeah, they'll just late, yeah.
got one, Toddy? Yes. All right. There you go. All right.
Yeah, that's what they look like now.
Yep.
Yeah.
Boy, it's almost too easy.
You don't see nothing. Reel him in. Wow! Right as it pulls out of his mouth. Saved by the net. I think I got that on video, Ron.
That one fought a little bit there.
That's a professional catch. Whoops. Got him. There's probably a few in there if he's catching them.
If Adam can hook one, anyone can hook one.
They gotta be thick over there, guys.
Oh,
That's a bass.
That's a bass. Oh, different species.
They're all wet.
Yeah.
Hold on.
There you go. Little smallmouth. Walleye?
No, it's a wall. Is it a walleye?
You got a Walter on.
Boy, he's shaking his head like a pike there for a while. Nice walleye.
Hey, Ron, turn.
Noise.
This guy's stubborn. Come on.
Don't worry, I got that on video. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Camera's rolling.
Thank you. Get up there.
This is Ron. He's the guy who taught me a lot about walleye fishing in my life.
Big boulder right there. Huh? Oh, that was easy, that job.
Good job, Adam.
Well, so far I've got the two smallest ones of the day. A little dry spell. Went a little while without one, but there we go. Oh! He came back, he came back.
Nice one.
All right, here, swing them over.
All right.
Oh, biggest walleye.
Put this on the camera.
That thing came in, and I saw it, and it missed, and then it came right back.
Yeah, see, man, he's wanting to stick somebody.
All right, I'm back in.
Bass. Oh, here, we'll just swing in.
Okay, so we went and did walleye fishing, and did pretty well.
I know, I just...
Todd and Ron both boated, what did you guys boat, 10, 12 plus walleyes each?
Oh,
I'm sure, yeah. I'm sure.
Okay, they did better than me. I only boated 4, maybe 5 walleyes, didn't do nearly as well as them. But Cody's got us set up here to do pike fishing with a Johnson minnow. So that's what's next. Looking forward to that. We're gonna see how the pike fishing goes here. Should be fun.
Did you see a big one? That was a big one. That was a big one. That was 30 plus.
You gotta look at him then?
Yeah, he was right here. Far down. Got him? That looks like it's got a good swirl to it. No, he doesn't.
That's better too. We saw a big one, Todd.
Yeah.
Better one, Adam?
It's a little guy.
Oh, man.
Hold on. You see him? No, you got a good one. No, he's on here still. What is going on? You might have a good one. No, don't horse it. Okay.
That's a nice fish. There you go,
There you
Adam.
go, Adam. Nice one.
Nice fish.
Okay, we'll get him down on the floor down here. That's picture worthy. Beautiful.
33 inches, biggest one so far.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
The thing, I watched it hit.
Okay, just let him run around. Yeah, that one. That was a bad one.
That thing just came up. It was like, whoosh.
That was like a little musky hit.
Came in right at the boat. We watched it hit it.
That's right at the boat it hit?
Right at the boat.
Oh.
Oh, and it ran that way.
Yeah, these little sucks. They make a fight too.
I'm not sure it's bigger than the other one looking at it here.
I'm not sure.
Oh, don't get in the trolling motor. No, 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 no.
They're hard to get by the.
Oh.
We'll have to see if you go with.
There we go.
Long one. Almost 35.
Almost 35.
He's longer, but he's. Not good enough.
Nice fish again.
Yeah.
Little guy. Little one.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Hold on. I'm running over there. I don't want to run there, guys. There's line though that's laying in the water.
We're way over here.
That looked like a big one.
It was a big splash.
Yeah, when they splash like that.
That was a big splash.
Wrapped right in the weeds. Yeah, I'm going to try to get over to it.
Hey, you guys just take all the time you want. I'm just going to fish the entire way around this boat.
That's all about.
Where is
Oh!
it? Oh, did he come off?
My line broke.
Snap.
I got nothing. That's what I get for taunting you, I guess. That's karma.
Dang. Oh, no, that's a decent one. Hold on. Don't reel him anymore. Another nice one. Drink. There you go. There you go.
So I started out pretty far behind this morning when I last updated everybody. because I was way behind the walleye count. But as you saw from the northern pike footage, I caught a lot of pike, probably 2 dozen. It's got to put me back pretty close to being even with these guys here, if you were counting. I mean, if it was a competition, but it's not really. It's not a competition, Ron says.
We're here to have fun.
We're just having fun.
Yes.
Of course, every time I get behind, Ron likes to bring it up that I'm not holding my own or falling
I
behind.
didn't
So.
mention you front-ended me again, but that's okay.
So now we're going to be doing some bass fishing. Rainy Lake. Looks like a pretty nice bass. There we go.
Another one, Todd?
Yeah, we'll show off his pretty side.
There's one.
Guy.
One, Toddy?
Oh, that's it. Another little smallmouth. Still looking for that big one. There's something dark in the water right over there.
Only hair off. There you go. Is that a fish?
It's moving, but it's not
Keep
shaking.
Keep going.
Got a stick, I'll bet. Way to go, Todd. It's moving, but it's not.
No. Yeah.
It's a keeper though.
Oh yeah, that's the longest one of the day. There we go.
The tree bass.
Tree bass. It's probably about 3 pounds.
I kind of remember a video on Marquette where I did that.
You did.
Somebody made fun of me.
Did they make fun of you, Ron?
They
Did I
sure
leave
did.
that in the video when I finished it?
Yeah, he sure did.
Oh, that's a good one.
Nice splash.
Come on, that's not a big one. That thing was fighting like a big one.
Fighting like a big one. Well, we were going for 4 pounds. We got not quite 2 pounds. They're sitting right back there where you'd think, though. That's a textbook spot.
Got another one, do you?
Another one, Adam?
All right.
On the spot.
There's a pan over here.
Well, that is 2 casts in a row that I did not snag. I fished instead.
I got a walleye.
Oh, Ron, nice job.
Right here.
I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but there are forest fires in Canada that are hundreds of miles away. And right now the smoke from these fires is coming in here and making everything really, really hazy.
Yeah, this is the worst I've seen it.
There you go.
Coming on,
It's coming out.
little guy.
Little guy.
You're holding on to
And
it.
Ron gives us the walleye.
All right.
All right.
Smallmouth?
Whoa,
Yeah, I did. There we go, another one.
let's start fishing.
Look at it.
Well, and that is a day of fishing.